Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a roux for baked macaroni and cheese. A roux is a fundamental thickening agent, essential for creating that rich, creamy texture in your favorite dishes. It's a simple mixture of fat and flour, cooked together to form a paste. This paste then becomes the foundation for your delicious cheese sauce, ensuring a smooth and velvety consistency for your macaroni and cheese. Before we start cooking, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, which will provide the fat component. Next, measure out 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This will be our thickening agent. Finally, have 2 cups of whole milk at the ready. Using cold milk is key for a smooth sauce, so keep it chilled until you're ready to add it. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by melting your 4 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and slightly bubbling, whisk in the 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 2 minutes. You're looking for a pale, golden color and a slightly nutty aroma, ensuring the raw flour taste is cooked out. With your roux cooked, it's time to add the milk. Gradually pour in the 2 cups of cold whole milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Keep whisking as the mixture heats up. It will slowly begin to thicken. Continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until your sauce is smooth, creamy, and coats the back of a spoon. This is your perfect base for macaroni and cheese.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.